How are you doing? We're still doing section 9.6, solving solving rational expressions. There's a big difference though between what we're doing now and what we were doing in the previous problem. On the previous problem we had three terms. We had 1, 2, 3 terms, and on this one we only have 2. We have a fraction equal to a fraction. Anytime you have a fraction equal to a fraction, you can do a shortcut. Okay, you can also do it the other way using the LCD, but we're definitely going to use a shortcut because it's going to make it a lot easier. So when you have a fraction equal to a fraction with nothing else, it's very simple. We're going to go ahead and do the shortcut. There it goes. We're going to do x. We're going to do 3 times x plus 2. What does that give me? I'm going to distribute. 3 times x will give me 3x. 3 times 2 will give me a 6. And then I'm going to put an equal sign. Now it's time for me to do the other side. The other side would be, we'll go ahead and do that one using blue. 4x times 5 would be, 4 times 5 is 20. I'll get 20x. So we're done. We don't even have to get an LCD. All we have to do is do a, they call it a bow tie, because if you look at it, it looks like a bow tie. But it also could look like a butterfly. People call it different things. So we now have an equation with no denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, remember I said if we're going to get into a fight, are you going to pick on the big guy or little guy? And the answer is I'm going to pick on the little guy. So I'm going to get rid of that 3x. So when I subtract the 3x, he's gone. I'm now left with 6 is equal to 17x. My very next step would be to get rid of that 17, which is being multiplied. So I'm going to do the inverse, which is divide by 17. My 17s will cancel. I'm left with x is equal to 6 over 17. That doesn't look too good, but it's 6 over 17. Check the book, and the answer is correct. We're on a roll. Thank you.